Lolo, Siki. Siki. Da. Talaga, alangan ka pa maupo. Ano na?
Ang pagkain, parang pag-ibig. Hinahanap-hanap, pinanggigigilan. But just like love, it's complicated.
Ano na?
Sino yan?
Mama to.
Mama?
Oo.
Like,
You really need the cravings to actually
What?
satisfy yourself and to prevent yourself from eating even more.
Sinabi.
All you need to remember is you need to balance what's not goes in Moscow.
Si Mama Pops. Si Mama Pops.
Si Mama?
Si Mama.
Mama Pops? Where are you going? You don't know. Naku.
Hypertension, diabetes, even arthritis. You start treating people with trying to teach them a good lifestyle.
Talaga lang eh, no?